All right, we now move on to speaking part two. Describe a rule that you don't like. Don't is present tense. So you can talk about any law or any rule in your city which you don't like, please.
So, even I can talk about the law.
Yeah.
Okay. So the the rules which I don't like personally, I experienced in my life is that in a management and non-management system in office, because in the management always take more benefits and take more money and also acquire more other resources. So the non-management employees always get less money and other things which even they are more needed than the management, because management got more salary, more benefits and more other stuffs. So non-managed employment is less taking, but still they are facing some discrimination such as racism and other stuffs. So I think that we should, because laws and rules are created to feel more safe in a society. So I think that in our office and management system that our non-management employees are not safer. So I don't like this rule.
All
So it should be
right.
more.
So you spoke for 1 minute. Try to elaborate further. And whatever you say, try to link it with that rule. So, for example, that is why I don't like this rule. For this reason, I don't like this type of rule. Right? So, time and again, at least 3, 4 times, you should narrate this thing so that the examiner is clear you are talking about this topic. Okay? Now, let's go on. Speaking part 3. Why do schools make rules for children?
Schools make rules for the children because schools are the first place where we learn about our rules and regulations, and school is the first place where we can grow a society and our upcoming society generations where we learn.
All right, this answer is short and there's repetition in it, so try to use a variety of words. For example, why do schools make rules? Schools usually make rules for a number of different reasons. First of all, discipline.
Yes.
If there are rules in the school, most definitely children are going to be disciplined. On the other hand, talk about second thing, and finally talk about third thing. This is called signpost language. So signposting will improve your band score. Okay? All right, thank you.